Here's my Nilay Letranista, Module 5. 1 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 19 to 20. Or do you not know that your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit within you, whom you have from God? You're not your own, for you were bought with a price. So glorify God in your body. In Module 5, I've completed the module content summary and subsequently composed a song entitled Come Holy Spirit, which focuses on the presence and the role of the Holy Spirit as the part of our BEC activities. My group created the 5 living pictures illustrating the gifts and the fruits of the Holy Spirit. I completed my master quiz for Module 5 to assess and reinforce my understanding of the concept that I learned. This module helped me see how the Holy Spirit deeply present in my life and the life of the church. I realized that the Spirit is not distant or symbolic, but a guiding and empowering presence that strengthens me in my daily decisions and actions. I also recognize that the gifts and charisms of the Spirit are meant not for personal glory but to serve others and build up the Christian community. Through this, I have come to understand the importance of actively using my gifts to promote love, unity, and growth within my community.